Welcome to virtual tutorials of eGreenWatch. In this session, we will be exploring the functionalities of FCA projects module. In order to update details regarding FCA projects, one has to log in with division credentials. I will be logging in with division Kundapur division's login credentials. For this, we will have to go to login. And these login credentials will be communicated to the respective divisions. These characters are not case sensitive, so the characters need not be capitals always. Okay, this is the dashboard of Kundapur division's eGreenWatch portal. Now, among the various modules available at main menu, FCA projects module allows us to update details regarding forest land diversions, CA land received, amount received for such diversions from user agency, etc. A click on FCA project module takes us to FCA projects diverted land CA land management page. On bringing the cursor upon FCA 1980 projects, we will get a drop down, and on that drop down we can go for view FCA projects, FC Act 1980 projects mapped or linked with your division. Mapping of FCA project with a particular division simply means that for a given FCA project, either forest land is diverted in the division or a compensatory forestation land is allotted within the division against that particular project. Sometimes both diversion as well as CA can be within the same division. Clicking on FCA project, view FCA Act 1980 projects mapped with the division gives us to the list of all the FCA projects which are mapped for this division. Okay, then it is all the details such as project name, project type, year, total land diverted, agency name, and for which purpose this diversions has been carried out is been enlisted. Clicking on the magnifying glass button allows us to see the all the details of the project. Now as we see here, we are seeing the details of one project basic details we are seeing, and the details of diverted land. For one project, four diversions have been taken place in many divisions in Hassan, Chikmagalur, Kundapur and Mangalore. Everything is enlisted because all these are connected to this project only. Then the compensatory forestation is not yet been entered by the respective divisions, that's why it has been set blank, and the amount demanded from user agency and the amount received from user agency is also not been entered, and so it is kept blank. Okay, these FCA projects will be uploaded from admin module. The role of division users is to just map the appropriate FCA projects with their division and then enter details regarding diverted lands, compensatory afforestation, and the amount which will be demanded from the state government or from the government to the user agency, and the amount in various installments the user agency, as in when they give the amount, it has to be updated over here. Then in FCA projects, if we think that if we have to map an FCA project with a particular division, what to do? We'll have to go to map or link FCA project with division button. Then it enlists all the FCA projects which are been registered by the admin module. Let it come, since the internet is quite slow, it is taking time to load the page. Okay, this has come. Okay, this has been enlisted. So look, all around 600 FCA projects are been enlisted. Among these projects, go through each and every project, and if we if some project is found to be connected with Kundapur division, can come over here, like this is a project name, project type, year, land diverted. We'll have to cross check all these things, then to which agency it has been it is been connected. Then we'll have to go to map project with my division and then click plus this mark add icon. As we do so, it will ask for confirmation to whether to add really or not. So I don't do it, but if you add it, it will get added to that particular division and it will be enlisted over here in this thing, view FC 1980 projects. Now coming to registration of demand from user agency for CA and PV etc., you'll have to come and click on over here and then register the amount which has been demanded to be filled by user agency. Likewise, the registration of amount received from user agency, from time to time it has to be registered against this FCA project only. Now coming to diverted land details, if we bring the cursor on diverted land details, there will be a drop down of add diverted land details. Just come here, then click diverted land details. Okay, we will be getting a list of all the FCA projects. Okay, again it has the details of project, project type, year, area, and then agency. Now we have this button add diverted land detail. In order to add a diverted land detail against a project, against this project, if we have to add it, we just will have to click over here. And again, if we have entered the GPS readings or the polygons, it will be like this, it won't be a cross mark. And if we have uploaded a map, it will be visible in this, where upload, it is asking for upload, and to view it on Google Earth, it can be this thing. Now here if we bring a cursor of here, it is saying that GPS is not uploaded. That's why. So let us think that we'll just open any of this projects details. Okay, this project name and total land diverted, project type, everything which will be fetched from the FCA projects which has been updated. Now the work of the division officers is to map it to a particular range. Then let us do something. I don't save it. Okay, we'll map it to Karkala, and then forest type. To which forest type does it belong? The diverted land. Select any of the things, like I'll say it is diversion might have been occurred in reserved forest. Then name of the compartment, Karkala, some section or some beat, that you'll have to write. Then location details also very clearly it has to be written, detailedly it has to be written, and the area of diverted area, it has to be written. Okay, here in this it is already been done. Let us check it out. Okay, we will have to write enter the details of here, and then to the shape of the diverted land, it has to be selected, and then previously it has been already diverted. They have already entered it. Will come over here later on. I'm just showing you how to enter it. Then GPS details of the diverted land, they might have not uploaded the GPS readings. You'll have to come over here, browse it, and then upload if you have a ready-made KML file. And if you don't have a KML file, we will be dealing about generation of KML files in another session. We'll deal with it. So we will have to upload the KML file here, we'll have to upload the scanned map here, and while taking the GPS readings, while coming to GPS details, we'll have to keep in mind that the datum has to be set for WGS 84 and the units should be in dd.dddt, degree decimals. This is emphasized again and again, because since if the datum is taken in another format and then the units are taken in another format, field officer may not be knowing it. They may bring it in with degree minutes seconds, and they may enter it in degree minutes without calculating, without converting. This may result in erroneous polygon and all. Okay, and then come here and then save. Now what here had occurred is they have already entered the details, diverted land details. In order to edit it or to upload the GPS readings and so on, we'll have to come over here and then click on the edit button. This will open this thing, open the open the records which has been already uploaded. Everything has been entered. Yeah, this range is Kundapur, and the forest type is again the reserved forest. All the compartment details and the land location details are been entered. The only thing is missing over here is the GPS details. That means the KML files is not been uploaded and the scanned copy of the map is not been uploaded. You can come over here, go to the edit button, upload all these details, upload these two, and then update it. You can also verify these details also and then update the diverted land details. This will finish with the diverted land thing. Now coming back, okay, view FSI remarks that I will add to. Okay, statistics of diverted lands. Coming to statistics of diverted lands, think that there are many diverted lands entered. We'll go for this Kundapur division. Okay, all these Kundapur divisions, they have all these diverted lands. For all these things, it has been extracted over here, which are been mapped to Kundapur division. KML files, GPS files are not been uploaded, and the scan maps are not been uploaded. This can be uploaded likewise over here only in one stretch. For you, if you take all these all the details of these projects and then sit once we can sit for a while and then upload all the GPS readings and the scanned maps all at once can be done through this page. And then view FSI remarks on diverted land details. Now all the polygons which has been uploaded will be verified by Forest Survey of India, and they have put their remarks, their valuable remarks over here. Now come on, in this Kundapur division, they have uploaded only one diverted land detail, and the land received for compensatory afforestation is not visible on Google Earth. This is their remark. We'll have to check it out and then um, find it whether it is correct or not. If it is not correct, we'll have to update it. Okay, the other thing we'll be discussing in another session, this compensate CA land details. Now we'll stop.